Bepercent App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how mindfulness apps have improved in 2025. Bepercent promises guided meditations, stress relief exercises, and daily mindfulness tracking, but is it the right app for you? The surprising truth is effectiveness. Most people get this wrong by assuming mindfulness apps are all the same. Bepercent combines guided audio, breathing exercises, and personalized reminders to help users stay consistent and reduce stress. Another advantage is customization. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app adapt sessions based on your mood, goals, and daily schedule. Whether it's a quick 2-minute meditation or a deeper 20-minute session, the app fits your lifestyle seamlessly. Bepercent also tracks progress over time, offering insights into trends, stress levels, and improvements in focus and well-being. Integration with wearable devices allows real-time monitoring for enhanced mindfulness practices. However, there are cons. Some features are locked behind a subscription, and longer guided sessions may not appeal to users with tight schedules. Notifications can be frequent if reminders are not adjusted, which may feel intrusive. In conclusion, Bepercent in 2025 is ideal for individuals seeking a structured, personalized approach to mindfulness. While subscriptions and occasional long sessions are considerations, the customization, guided exercises, and progress tracking make it a powerful tool to improve focus, reduce stress, and cultivate daily mindfulness habits.